Have you ever wondered what would happen if a tiny asteroid hit Earth? This question may seem far-fetched, but in the boundless expanse of space, it's a topic worth pondering. Asteroids, these celestial wanderers, are scattered throughout the cosmos, each carrying a potential for unimaginable change. The enormity of the universe is truly staggering, with its countless galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, planets, and yes, asteroids. Now consider our home, Earth. In this cosmic ocean, Earth is not more than a small droplet. The odds of an asteroid hitting our planet might seem slim considering the vastness of space. Yet, we know from history that these encounters do occur. So while it might seem implausible, the thought of a small asteroid causing significant changes here on Earth is not entirely out of the question. In the grand scheme of the universe, Earth is but a tiny speck, making the idea of a small asteroid having a significant impact seem impossible. But what if we told you that even a small asteroid could knock Earth out of orbit? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, let's delve into the physics behind this. You see, when we talk about asteroids, we're not just talking about their size, but also their speed. This is where the concept of kinetic energy comes in. Kinetic energy is the energy an object possesses due to its motion, and the faster an asteroid is moving, the more kinetic energy it has. Think of it like this. If you were hit by a tennis ball moving at a slow pace, it might sting a little, but you'd be fine. Now imagine that same tennis ball moving at the speed of a bullet. That would be a different story, right? That's what happens with asteroids. Even a small one, moving at incredible speeds, can have a huge amount of kinetic energy. So much so that if it were to collide with Earth, it could potentially knock our planet off its orbital path. Now, what would happen if Earth was knocked out of orbit? Well, it's a bit like being thrown off a merry-go-round. Earth would start moving in a new, unpredictable path around the Sun. This could lead to extreme changes in our climate, causing either a deep freeze if we move further from the Sun, or a total burn-up if we move closer. And that's not all. The impact of an asteroid could also cause massive tsunamis, earthquakes, and fires, leading to widespread destruction and loss of life. In the grand scheme of the universe, Earth is just a tiny speck, but it's our tiny speck. And it's vulnerable to the immense forces at play in the cosmos. So as you can see, size isn't everything when it comes to asteroid impacts. So what would actually happen if Earth was knocked out of its orbit? Well, for starters, our planet's orbit around the Sun is what gives us our seasons. An alteration in our orbital path could mean drastic changes in our seasonal patterns. Imagine winters that stretch on for years, or summers that scorch the Earth without respite. But it doesn't stop there. The weather as we know it is a result of our planet's tilt and its orbit. If the Earth was knocked out of its orbit, we could see extreme weather phenomena becoming the norm. We're talking about hurricanes, tornadoes, and storms of an intensity we've never experienced before. Now let's consider the overall climate. The Earth's orbit ensures a balance, providing us with a climate that supports life. But if this balance is tampered with, our climate could shift dramatically. We could see areas currently lush with vegetation turn into barren wastelands, and regions that are now freezing cold might end up boiling hot. These changes would impact all life on Earth. It could lead to the extinction of several species, unable to adapt to these new conditions. And yes, that includes us, humans. Our survival would be under serious threat. So, when we talk about the potential consequences of Earth being knocked out of its orbit, we're not just talking about a change in our view of the stars. We're talking about a catastrophic effect on life as we know it. The consequences would be catastrophic, to say the least. Space exploration and research allows us to better understand these potential threats and how to mitigate them. We've journeyed together through the immensity of space, understood the science of impact, and the potential consequences of even a tiny asteroid knocking Earth out of orbit. This underscores the criticality of space research and exploration. If you found this video interesting, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the universe. Until next time, keep exploring.